Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Gallery, then switch to the albums section. So then you have to select which album you want to hide, hold your finger on it and then select hide and tap OK. And as you can see, this album just disappeared. Whoa, where we can find it now? So in order to access this album now, we tap on these three dots here, go to settings, and here we can view hidden albums. So you can just view it here, which pics you have in it, or you can just unhide it and it will appear in the albums list again. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.